Have you noticed the latest Gemini models making their way into Gmail? Well, to be honest, I wasn't that impressed. I found 3 different agents that I can use off the shelf that help me make money by helping me write my sales emails, save money by monitoring my subscriptions, and save time and efficiency by surfacing the most important emails to me straight away. Let's get started and I'll show you how. The agents that we're building are going to be in Wordware, which is an AI orchestration platform that anyone can use with natural language and without knowing any programming at all. The first one I'm going to show you is the personalized email generator for outbound sales. This agent scrapes a company's website, researches a lead, creates an email and subject, and then pops a draft into your inbox so that you can use it or tweak it and send it to your prospects. What's really awesome about this is that I can do a personalized email over a list of contacts, and I can then enrich those contacts and output a personalized email draft for me right within my email inbox that I can take a look at, make sure it looks good, and then if it does, send it straight away. This saves me hours and hours every single week. On this personalized email generator page for outbound sales, it's going to show me how it takes the lead per list, scrapes the website, and does personal research. And most importantly, you can make your own version of it, so you can use it for yourself. So just hit this button, make your own version, and voila. I can go to the flow and configure it to actually go and use my own email for this particular agent. If you're anything like me, you subscribe to a bunch of things online and you make use of them for a little bit, but then maybe after a few months, you don't find value in them anymore. That's where this email-based subscription tracking agent really helps. And it basically uses Gmail and Supabase to allow me to track all my subscriptions that I have going on. So anytime I want to save some money, I go to my database, I look at what's there, and I say, hey, do I really need all these things? Maybe I can cancel a few and save some change. So how does it work? Basically, this particular agent will analyze your emails, determine if a paid subscription is part of the email. It will structurize the data. If it is actually a subscription or a new subscription, it will add it to my Supabase. Every so often when I'm thinking, oh man, I really need to figure out what are all the things I'm subscribed to, I just head back over to this database and I determine which ones I want to cancel. This is available for use in any of the tools that you use for tracking, like Google Sheets or a Notion database or even Airtable. So feel free to use one of those or whichever one you're most comfortable with, and it'll be possible within Wordware. This is a super powerful agent that helps me save time every single day by monitoring my email and surfacing the emails that are most urgent to me straight away. This agent will be triggered by any new email that comes through. Subsequently, after it receives the email, I've given it a rubric that allows it to score my emails between 0 to 10 based on how urgent they are. The first criterion is around time sensitivity. Second is consequences of delay. Third is the sender role or authority. The fourth is subject and tone. And finally, the dependency for others' work. You can customize these prompts to whatever you'd like, but this is what I've determined makes an email really urgent or not so urgent based on my own taste. I'm going to use the score that's assigned. If it's over 7 out of 10, I'm going to mark it as urgent. And I've asked Claude to make a quick summary and give me the link so that I can actually use that notification to go and respond to the email. And ultimately, I have an action here that's going to send me the email with the information that I've requested. So how does it work? Let's take a look. I can look at all my live runs here. I'm going to go to one of them and just take a look. You can see here that this particular email was actually recommended for immediate action. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the message that I received in Slack, that there was an urgent email where there's a hard deadline tomorrow, a $10,000 penalty, and engineering team blockage from one of my colleagues, Jan. So this is one that I better get to right away. This agent has saved me a ton of time and allowed me to act more quickly and faster and respond to things on time. And it's been a really, really beneficial agent in my life that's actually useful using Gmail. So how can you make use of this agent? Go ahead and click the link in the description below for the email urgency agent, and you'll be directed to this landing page where you can make your own version. Hit the make your own version button. You can create a new project or select an existing project to make it yours. It'll copy all the files to my Wordware, configure my email, and the other parts of this Wordware workflow so that I can make use of it straight away in my own life. So that's how you use it. Feel free to leave a comment or reach out to us. We'd be excited to help. And yeah, have a great rest of your day.